Thanks for watching. Hello. I am Dr. Khan. Many of us don't get enough sleep. Today I will let you know how to sleep well. Watch the video till the end. We sleep to allow our bodies and minds to rest and recharge. Sleep plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. Physical restoration. During sleep, our bodies repair and restore tissues, muscles, and bones. The release of growth hormone during sleep helps to promote physical growth and repair. Mental restoration. Sleep helps to clear waste from the brain, improving our ability to think, concentrate, and make decisions. It also helps to consolidate our memories and improve our learning. Emotional regulation. Sleep can help regulate our emotions and moods. Lack of sleep can lead to irritability, mood swings, and increased stress levels. Boosts the immune system. Sleep can help boost our immune system and improve our ability to fight off illness and infections. Maintains metabolism. Sleep is important for maintaining healthy metabolism and helping to regulate hormones that control hunger and appetite. Promotes cardiovascular health. Sleep can help to lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. Overall, sleep is essential for our physical and mental health, and a lack of sleep can have serious negative impacts on our overall well-being. It is important to get enough quality sleep each night to ensure optimal health and well-being. Here are some tips for sleeping well. 1. Establish a routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. 2. Create a sleep-conducive environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. 2. Use comfortable bedding and pillows. 3. Avoid stimulants before bedtime. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol in the hours leading up to bedtime. 4. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. 4. However, avoid exercising close to bedtime as it can keep you awake. 5. Relax before bedtime. Take a warm bath, read a book, or listen to calming music before bed to help you relax and prepare for sleep. 6. Limit exposure to screens. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can interfere with sleep. 6. Avoid using screens for at least an hour before bedtime. 7. Avoid napping. Napping can disrupt your sleep-wake cycle and make it harder to fall asleep at night. 8. Get sunlight exposure during the day. Sunlight exposure during the day can help regulate your circadian rhythm and promote better sleep at night. By following these tips and making changes to your lifestyle, you can improve the quality of your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. But friends, you should consult a doctor for insomnia if you have difficulty falling or staying asleep for a prolonged period of time, more than a month. Moreover, it interferes with your daily life. Other signs that you should see a doctor include: 1. Waking up feeling unrefreshed and tired. 2. Difficulty concentrating and performing daily tasks. 3. Excessive daytime sleepiness. 4. Chronic fatigue or low energy levels. 5. Irritability and mood swings. 6. Chronic pain or discomfort. 7. Frequent trips to the bathroom at night. 8. Chest pain or shortness of breath at night. If you have any underlying medical conditions or take prescription medications, it's important to speak to your doctor to see if they are contributing to your insomnia. In some cases, insomnia can be a symptom of an underlying health issue such as anxiety, depression, sleep apnea, or other sleep disorders. It's important to consult a doctor for an accurate diagnosis and to discuss appropriate treatment options. Your doctor may refer you to a sleep specialist for further evaluation and treatment. Hope to see you sleeping well. Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts and ideas. Finally, if you want to stay updated with our future videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching.